Korean glass skin. One spoon aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a great natural moisturizer and can help to soothe dry skin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Add liquid milk. Aloe vera has proved to be an excellent moisturizer. Honey. Mix well. Aloe vera may not be the first thing you turn to fix a bad breakout or a dark spot. It should be on the radar for repairing your skin from damage. Apply on the face, leave it overnight and wash in the morning. Whisk it into a smooth paste. Makes your skin glow naturally with regular use.